this website that you can do on either Chromebooks or iPads is called Abcya. So you can go in and click things by grade, even including like over middle school, which is what I really like about it, and everything does align to the Common Core standards, keeping those critical attributes in mind. So I'm going to go in and click on second grade. I could go in and see exactly what standard I wanted, and then click by the game. Sometimes even if you wanted to have like a filler activity but wanted to make sure that the students are still learning, you certainly still could. And then so I'm going to still go in here. Maybe I'm interested in more of the ELA side, so I go in here. Say I wanted to work on my students' writing, and it goes in here and kind of pulls those key standards and then goes into the actual apps that the kids could write. My students actually do a lot with StoryMaker right now. It pulls in the characters, the setting, and all of those other story elements, and they seem to enjoy it because they feel like they're still playing a game. Maybe something that I will look into for my above grade level students is writing a letter to Santa, as it is December. Again, this is something that even their parents and current coworkers could use in their classrooms. This is iPad and Chromebook friendly, and I like that there's so many different holiday things and different grades, so you could enrich the above grade level or even meet the below. So thanks for listening to my video. Thanks.